Hello friends, welcome to the Chemistry Pillar YouTube channel. Now in today's session I am going to discuss about the boron. Boron as a reducing agent. Now let's discuss boron. Okay, boron. The structure of boron is it is in diboron form. Boron present in the diboron form in gaseous state. Okay. Now the commercially available boron is in the organic synthesis is in the form of BH3THF or BH3SME2. That is for the organic chemistry purpose. It present in the BH3SME2 dimethyl sulfide. Okay, dimethyl sulfide. And second form is BH3THF. That is tetrahydrofuran. These two form of boron used in commercial purpose. Just 1 minute. This is the structure of tetrahydrofuran. You know the structure of furan. It is 5-member ring with 2 double bond. That is it is a structure of furan. So this tetrahydrofuran is this is the structure of THF, tetrahydrofuran. Now let's discuss organic synthesis or organic transformation by using the boron. You know the boron is an Lewis acid. Boron is a Lewis acid because it accepts lone pair of electron into the empty pz orbital. It is empty 2pz orbital. Okay, so it is a Lewis acid. Now on reaction with the acid with boron BH3THF or BH3SME2, it reduces carboxylic acid to the corresponding alcohol. Remember that the boron is an electrophilic reducing agent. It is electrophilic reducing agent. Boron is an electrophilic reducing agent. This is a very important point. Okay. Now, so the carbonyl group present in the carboxylic acid, it is an electron rich carbonyl. So as the boron has empty p orbital, the lone pair present on the oxygen accept boron into its p orbital. Okay, empty p orbital, and we get the product through mechanism, that is a alcohol. The second example is amide. Okay, now the boron reduces amide to the corresponding amine. BH3THF or SME2. Structure of amine. Now the amide and carboxylic acid both are the electron rich, both having the electron rich carbonyl group, but acyl chloride acid chloride, it having the electron poor carbonyl group, that is electron deficient carbonyl center. So when reaction with the borane, no product. Okay, there is no reaction on the acid chloride. Now the another important functional group is ester, carboxylic ester. Carboxylic ester reduces slowly to the corresponding alcohol using the borane, but it is very slow reaction. Okay, now let's discuss mechanism of the borane by using this example, or what is the mechanism of the borane as a reducing agent. Our example is C double bond O amide. Okay, this is the structure of amide. When it treated with the borane, it gives corresponding amide. Okay, now let's discuss mechanism of this reaction. Okay, the first step of mechanism is the lone pair present on the nitrogen. It is in delocalization with the this carbonyl oxygen. Okay, carbonyl groups. So it attacked through the carbon pi bond present in the carbonyl group. Okay, at empty p orbital of the borane, and we get now in next step to the transfer of hydride at the center. Then carbon, oxygen and BH2. Okay, like this. In next step, again the lone pair present on the nitrogen in conjugation and shift the leaving group. Okay, so we get on this structure, that is carbon double bond nitrogen. In this nitrogen, the nitrogen is here 1 2 3 4 bond. So because of the 4 bond, there is positive charge present on the nitrogen. Now in next step, again another molecule of borane, this double bond or pi bond present in the carbon double bond nitrogen attack at the electron deficient center. Okay, or electron deficient pi orbital of the borane. Then there is simultaneous transfer of this hydride. Clear? I can rewrite here like here is nitrogen, positive charge. Now second molecule of borane, the pi bond present in C double bond N. Okay, in the structure, the pi bond present in the structure attack at the electron deficient pz orbital. Okay, of borane, and there is simultaneous transfer of this hydride. We get is hydrogen, and boron with. Okay, now the next step is workup. In workup step, the water molecule attack on the metal, okay, the empty p orbital of this boron. There is breaking of this boron and nitrogen bond, and we get corresponding amine. Clear? Now this is all about the mechanism of boron as a reducing agent. That is, the transformation is amide to amine. Okay, this is the structure of amine. Now let's discuss application of the boron as a reducing agent. Application of boron as a reducing agent. BH3, we can take as THA for SN2. Now which functional group is reduced? Okay, you know that the carboxylic acid group is a more electron rich group as compared to ester, so we get the product here OH. There is no reaction on the ester. Selectively reduction of the carboxylic acid. Okay, now let's discuss another example. Now in this example there are two functional group. One is ketone and second is the carboxylic acid. Now which functional group is reduced? Obviously carboxylic acid. So because ketone group is electron deficient, ketone has the electron deficient carbonyl center, and we know that the boron is an electrophilic reducing agent. Okay, it reduces electron rich carbonyl group. So selectively, that is chemoselectively, the boron reduces carboxylic acid. Clear? Now let's discuss next example. Let's discuss this example. In this example, this functional group is an amide functional group and another is the ester. So you know the chemoselectivity of the boron. Boron reduces more electron rich carbonyl, so it reduces only this amide functional group, okay, and not ester. Okay, so we get the product this amide reduced to the corresponding amine. It is a cyclic ester and no reaction on the, it is a cyclic amide and no reaction on the amide. Okay, now in the second example, here also in this example also two functional group. One is the amide, second functional group is ester, okay, and third one is the alcohol. So in between these two, that is amide and ester, our chemoselectivity is, it is boron reduces ester, sorry, not ester, amide. So we get the product chemoselectively boron reduces more electron rich carbonyl group. Okay, C double bond O tertiary butyl group. Okay, tertiary butyl, there is a reduction of this amide to the corresponding amine. Is all stereochemistry are the same, just there is a reduction of this amide group. Okay, now the next example is, what about the reduction of nitro group? Okay, boron never reduces nitro group, remember this. Okay, this is all about the boron as a reducing agent. Okay, thank you for watching video.